Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Bowers and Wilkins PX7 headphones to your MacBook. So first of all, you have to just find the power button, and it's actually located right here. So we have to move it like that. To turn on the headphones, you can just take a look for these indicators, it will turn on. And to enter the pairing mode, you have to move it like that next to this Bluetooth button and hold it until this indicator starts blinking. So right now we have to put it close to your device and open the Bluetooth settings. Turn it on. And from the nearby devices, you have to just select your headphones. So click connect. And as you can see, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.